everyone, my name is Minji Zong. I'm from Secondary 1 Virtual. In this video, I'm going to talk about how STEM is applied in life, the innovations of STEM, the inspiring careers, the usefulness of STEM, and how it's applied in real life. First of all, what exactly is STEM? I'm pretty sure almost all of you watching this video will know what STEM is. It is the acronym for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So all these subjects, they're all related to one another. Let's say engineering. Engineering depends on the findings from science, the increased technology, the advanced technology, and the calculations of mathematics. Because all these subjects are related, there's a new curricular by connecting and integrating all these subjects, and it is called STEM. Now, where can STEM be applied? The answer is very simple. STEM can be applied literally everywhere. You can find STEM in medical situations, such as in hospitals, trade and business, multimedia and information technology, industrial sites, and even in your home right now. So now let's take a look at some places where STEM can be applied. Areas where STEM can be applied. Number 1. Inventing or creating new ways to help prevent a harm. We need to apply STEM in this area. We need science, scientific skills, scientific theories, scientific methods, and the characteristics of some living things, and some elements to help some diseases, to help cure it. And we also need technology, technological devices, new modern devices to help us in our investigation, and also engineering. We need the engineering skills to help build machines to help us in our investigation, and also mathematics. Mathematics skills to do calculations and calculate the problems. So STEM. The second area, designing bridges, homes, buildings, and towers. We need STEM in this area. We need scientific knowledge of the characteristics of different materials like iron, rubber, wood, to help us in our buildings and everything, and the properties of them. And also we need technology, different technological devices to help us building so that we can build stable. And also we need engineering skills to help connect, to help build. And also we need mathematics skills to help calculate the mass and also the height and everything. We need science in this area. The scientific knowledge for the properties of different materials, the scientific knowledge for aerodynamics, air pressure, downforce, drag, and everything like that. And we also need technology, the different technological devices, new technology, new modern methods, and to build. And we need engineering skills to connect the parts, to build the car, and to connect the engines and find new ways to improve the engines and other things like that. And we also need mathematics to calculate the speed, heat, velocity, and everything. Developing games and softwares. We need science and technology in this case. Technology, new modern softwares, better softwares to program or code, such as Scratch or whatever. And we also need better methods, better codes and everything to program and build the softwares or the games or the applications. And we need engineering skills to build the correct machines to make that softwares, to make new softwares. Also we need engineering skills, and we also need mathematics skills such as timing the software and also the binary logic and everything. The next area, designing robots and robotics. We need science in this area, such as to build the electronic circuits and to build the parts of the robots, the sensors, the legs, the arms, the metal parts, to see which properties are suitable, which materials are suitable. We need technology, of course, new technological methods to build more advanced modern robots and more modern parts and more modern devices to help us build the robot, and engineering skills to help connect the parts, to help see which connection or which layout is the best, and engineering skills to build the robots, and mathematics skills to calculate the calculations needed to build the robots, like the mass or like that. Next area, medicine. We definitely need science here. We need to know the different properties of the chemicals, the elements, the medicines, the diseases and everything to cure the diseases or whatever, we need to know the elements of the medicines, like whether the acids of the medicine, the minerals of the medicine, the ingredients of the medicine, and everything. And we need technology, the new scientific methods to figure out how to create new medicines. Also need engineering if we need machines to create new medicines, and we definitely need mathematics to calculate the calculations needed to create new medicines and like that. As you can see, in all of these areas, STEM is applied. There's science, there's technology, there's engineering, there's mathematics, there's STEM. There are scientific knowledge, scientific inquiries applied. There are new technological devices used, new technological methods, new advanced methods used. There are engineering skills applied, and there are also different devices to help us in those areas, such as cranes, robots, computers, microprocessors, telescopes, and everything like that. There are also mathematical formulas to help us in our calculations. As there are many places where STEM can be applied, there are also many STEM-inspiring careers. Application software developers. There are people who develop and modify computer application softwares. Architectural and civil drafters and engineers. They create computerized drawings of building features to support architectural projects and perform engineering duties in the planning and designing phase of construction projects. Electrical engineers. They research, design, and test electrical equipment and systems. Industrial engineers. They create systems for managing production processes. Materials engineers and scientists. They develop ways to create materials for certain products and research different properties of them. Mechanical engineers. They use engineering principles to design tools, engines, and other mechanical equipment. Robotics engineers. They research, design, and test robotic systems. Aerospace engineers. They design, construct, and test aircrafts. Medical scientists. They conduct research to better understand human health and disease and solve problems concerning about. Out of the top 10 most popular jobs, 6 of them are STEM careers. Out of the top 20 most paying jobs, 15 of them are STEM careers. STEM careers can give you a very high income potential or a very high salary. They can give you an average of $40 per hour and up to $60 per hour. STEM education is useful in many sorts of ways. It moves beyond simple test performance and focuses on higher level thinking skills to connect the classroom learning to the real world. It emphasizes collaboration, communication, research, problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity, skills that students need to master in today's world regardless of their specific interests or career goals. STEM is a unique approach to learning and teaching, one that centers around the individual student's learning styles or interests. STEM can help us learn how to learn and apply content, integrate content, interpret and communicate information, engage in inquiry, engage in logical and reasoning, collaborate as a team, and apply technology appropriately. STEM is a vital part for developing our world leaders and our future global innovators. STEM includes the disciplines that are needed for a safe and thriving economy and a safe and healthy society. In conclusion, STEM is a very useful subject and a very awesome curriculum in which you can learn very complicated theories quickly and easily and help you develop very useful skills. It is very useful. Studying STEM at such a young age can help you get the basic ideas of advanced topics easily and learning in a fun way. Our school is one of the first schools in Myanmar to motivate STEM education, and we should enjoy it. STEM education is very useful, and nowadays it is applied to almost every aspect and areas, innovating millions of ideas and benefits and inspiring thousands of careers.